Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to draw on Google Maps. Step by step, drawing on Google Maps is perfect for planning route, marking area, or sharing custom map with others. Start by opening your Google Chrome and type My Maps. Open the first link and click on Create a New Map. Hit Create. And you can zoom in and out. And from here you can do various things, but to draw, you can simply click this Draw a Line option, add line or save, or you can also add driving route or biking route and walking route to draw a line. Click on Add a Line or Save and mark the areas that you want to draw. For example, let's say I want to draw a line here and select this place. Just draw a line. And you can join it like this. Give it a name like Polygon 1 or any name that you prefer and save it. You can see the area here and the name saved in the top. Following these steps, you'll be able to create fully customized map quickly and easily. Let's get started and make your Google Map experience more interactive. In 2025,